Greetings one and all. Welcome to my channel here today, where it's a bit of a special episode. I've got a drink in hand. The special thing is, this is video number 400 on my channel. So I'm having a little celebration cocktail. I'm just having a Tamarind Margarita. And just so this video's got some new content, I'll just quickly show you how to make that now. Alright, so just very quickly into my shaker here, my makeshift shaker. I'm just going to put some ice. I've got my tequila here. I'm going to put in 2 ounces. One ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, an ounce and a half of tamarind puree, half an ounce of simple syrup, give it a good shake. I've got a glass with some ice in it here. I've lined the rim with some salt and a few chili flakes. It's as simple as that, my friends. My Tamarind Margarita. But what I'd also like to do is just like 400 videos, it's been quite a while, and just wanted to show it often doesn't go to plan. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you a few outtakes, stuff like that, just for something different. It's you can see I'm a total amateur, one-man production team. I operate everything. The camera, the sound, script, you name it, the script, if you call it that. But anyway, I want to thank everyone who's stuck with me, anyone who's recently joined, thank you. Here's cheers. Sit back and enjoy a few bloopers. Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today. Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today. So there we go. Whoa!
James, carry on. Soft, moist balls.
That's it.
What we're going to do, I've got the grill preheating. Or have I? No, I haven't. Now I have. Alrighty guys, so I've got my processed, Jesus, start again.
Do you like my James juicy balls?
Yeah. Make a comment before I say.
You gotta eat the fucker
Drive it. I know the rendang's beautiful. So to have like a little beautiful rendang pie and Come on. Please, just focus. Nah, no worries. Bit of a productive day in the kitchen here today, so I'm just going to check on my ice cream here. That vacuum seal thing. Oh. It's nice and frozen down. Come on, baby. And we'll give it a quick whiz up. Did I not plug it in? No, I didn't. Love you. Alright. Oh man, they look creepy. I'm gonna stick with it. It's a bit of fun. It's a pity they're not bigger. I'd like to write even more menacing messages, something like, I know where you live, or every breath you take, I'll be watching you. Alrighty guys, so I've got a couple of my Scotch fillets. Oh, fuck me. I've just served up some of my goat and fennel, and what else did I put in it? Sage and fuck. Fuck it me.